Welcome to this new Davinci Resolve Fusion tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how we can make this gnarly text in Davinci Resolve Fusion. First we take a Fusion composition, make this 5 seconds long, jump over into Fusion. First we give us a text node. When you have selected, we press 2, then it's shown on the right viewport. I type in noisy text. Then I found out it looks cool when we change bold to bold italic. Then we grab us a fast noise node, connect the output of the text into the mask input of the fast noise. When we have selected the fast noise, we press run. Then we change the fast noise, we crank up the detail, crank up the contrast, and set the brightness minus 0.25. Then we crank up the scale to about 265. Then we change the first color to a whole black. Then we grab a merge node, connect the output of the text into the foreground of the merge node. Then we grab us another fast noise. When we have selected, we press 1. Then we crank up the scale a little bit, the contrast and the detail. Oh, not the detail, sorry. And again, we set the brightness to minus 0.25. Then we crank up the teeth rate, then it's animated a little bit slowly. I think so, it's good. Then when we have this node selected, we press Ctrl and spacebar and type in invert. We need the invert color node, and then we connect the output of the invert color into the background, into the mask input of the merge node. And last, we connect the fast noise output into the background node of the merge node. Then we have our noisy text here. Then we connect the merge node, the output into the input of the media out. Then we are already done. I hope you enjoyed this Davinci Resolve tutorial. If you like it, you can give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.